Good evening. Have you reserved a table?
No, I have not reserved a table. Do you still have a free table?
Yes, we still have a free table. For how many people is the table?
The table is for one person. Do you have a table by the window?
Yes, we have a table by the window. Would you like to sit by the window?
Yes, that would be very nice. Is the table quiet?
Yes, this table is quite quiet. Would you rather sit inside or outside?
I prefer to sit inside. Are there also tables outside on the terrace?
Yes, outside we also have some tables. Would you like to sit outside today?
No, today I prefer to stay inside. Is the restaurant very busy today?
No, today it is not very busy. May I bring you the menu?
Yes, please bring me the menu. Do you also have a drinks menu?
Yes, I will also bring the drinks menu. Would you like something to drink first?
Yes, I would like something to drink. Do you have still water?
Yes, we have still water. Would you like a glass or a bottle of water?
I will take a glass of water. Do you also have juice?
Yes, we have various juices. Would you like apple juice or orange juice?
I prefer orange juice.
Would you like another drink?
Yes, I would like another drink. Do you have sparkling water?
Yes, we have sparkling water. Do you want still or sparkling water?
I'll have sparkling water. Would you like the water in a glass or bottle?
Would you like the water in a glass or bottle?
I'll take a bottle of water. Do you also have apple juice?
Yes, we have fresh apple juice. Would you like a glass of apple juice?
Yes, a glass of apple juice, please. Do you also have beer?
Yes, we have several kinds of beer. Would you like a small or a large beer?
I'll have a small beer. Do you also have wine?
Yes, we have red and white wine. Do you prefer red wine or white wine?
I'll take a glass of white wine. Which wine do you recommend?
Our house wine is very popular. Would you like to try the house wine?
Yes, that sounds good. Do you have any special drinks?
Yes, we have homemade lemonade. Would you like to try our lemonade?
Yes, a lemonade, please. Is the lemonade very sweet?
No, it is fresh and light. Would you like anything else to drink?
No, that's all for now.
Would you like to order some food now?
Yes, I would like to order now. Which dish do you recommend today?
Our pasta is very popular today. Do you like pasta?
Yes, I like pasta very much. Do you also have vegetarian dishes?
Yes, we have several vegetarian dishes. Would you prefer a vegetarian meal?
Yes, today I prefer vegetarian. Do you also have dishes with meat?
Yes, we have chicken and beef. Do you enjoy meat?
Yes, sometimes I enjoy meat. Do you have fish on the menu?
Yes, we have fresh fish today. Would you like fish or meat?
Today I prefer fish. Is there a soup as a starter?
Yes, we have tomato soup. Would you like to order the soup?
Yes, I will take a tomato soup. Do you also have salad?
Yes, we have a mixed salad. Would you prefer soup or salad?
I prefer soup. Are the portions large?
Yes, our portions are quite large. Are you very hungry?
Yes, I am very hungry today. Do the dishes come with sides?
Yes, we have rice, potatoes or veg. Which side would you like?
I would like vegetables. Do the dishes include bread?
Yes, we serve fresh bread. Do you have any allergies?
No, I have no allergies. Does the dish contain nuts?
No, this dish contains no nuts. Would you like anything else?
No, that is all for now.
Would you like a dessert?
Yes, I would like a dessert. What desserts do you have today?
We have cake, ice cream, and chocolate mousse. Would you prefer cake or ice cream?
I prefer ice cream. Which flavors do you have?
We have vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. Would you like 1 scoop or 2?
I will take 2 scoops. Do you also have coffee?
Yes, we have different coffees. Would you like a coffee after your dessert?
Yes, I'll have a cappuccino. Do you also have tea?
Yes, we have black and green tea. Would you maybe like tea instead of coffee?
No, I'll stay with the cappuccino. Could you bring the bill later?
Yes, I'll bring the bill soon. Would you like to pay together or separately?
I will pay on my own. Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can pay by card. Would you like to pay cash or by card?
I'll pay by card. Is tipping common here?
Yes, many guests leave a tip. Would you like to leave a tip?
Yes, I'll leave a small tip. Was everything okay?
Yes, thank you very much for your visit. Did you enjoy the meal?
Yes, the meal was very tasty. Will you come again?
Yes, I'm happy to come again. Have a nice evening.
Thank you, you too. Have a nice evening.
Was today your first visit to our restaurant?
Yes, today I am here for the first time. Have you worked here for long?
Yes, I have worked here for 3 years. Do you like our restaurant?
Yes, I like the restaurant very much. Do many guests come in the evening?
Yes, many guests usually come in the evening. Do you often go to restaurants?
No, I do not go to restaurants often. Do you have a favorite dish here?
Yes, I like our pasta very much. Do you live in this city?
Yes, I live very close. Do you also work in this area?
Yes, the restaurant is near my flat. Do you like to visit new restaurants?
Yes, I enjoy trying new restaurants. Do you still have much work today?
Yes, tonight it will be a bit busy. Are you going for a walk after dinner?
Yes, maybe I will take a short walk. Is the city nice in the evening?
Yes, the city is very nice in the evening. Will you come back soon?
Yes, I will surely come back soon.